In this video, I will explain how the GoodRx company makes money. GoodRx Holdings is a digital healthcare platform that provides consumers with access to discounted prescription drugs and digital healthcare providers. GoodRx is an intermediary between consumers and pharmacies and healthcare providers. It collects users by offering discount codes for drugs and medical appointments. To use GoodRx, all someone has to do is to go to the home page, type in the name of the drug and click the Find the Lowest Price button. It is then present coupons that the user can give to their pharmacist so they can pull up the lowest discount available. Pharmacies and medical providers need to pay for access to GoodRx users, and the company earns fees whenever its users redeem discount codes or book online medical appointments. The company makes the majority of its money from prescription transactions, most of the time taking a percentage of the fees that the PMB charges to the pharmacy. GoodRx also makes money through subscriptions. Company also allows users to pay extra for its Gold offering, which is launched in 2017. The company charges $5.35 per month for individuals and $9.99 for up to 5 family members to give greater discounts, access to free delivery and plan options for you and your family.